Hi friend, please subscribe my channel. HUAWEI P Smart, 32GB, 5.6 full view display and dual cameras, 4G LTE dual SIM factory unlocked W/fingerprint scanner Fig L23 international model, no warranty, blue. Screen, 5.65 IPS LCD of 1080x2,160px resolution, 427 ppi. Chipset, 16nm Kirin 659, octa-core CPU, 4x Cortex-A53 at 2.36 GHz plus 4x Cortex-A53 at 1.7 GHz. Dual-core Mali-T830 GPU. Memory, 3GB/4GB of RAM, 32GB/64GB of storage, hybrid microSD slot. Camera, 13MP plus 2MP dual camera with phase detection f/2.2 aperture, LED flash. 1080p video capture at 30 fps. Connectivity, dual SIM, LTE-A, Cat.6 300/50 Mbps, microUSB, Wi-Fi B/G/N, GPS/GLONASS, Bluetooth 4.2, FM radio, NFC, region dependent.